Hello all creative people out there, Kevin from CC Pipe here, where we focus on productivity and pipeline for creatives. And in this video, we'll take a look at the exciting new InDesign feature Auto Style using style packs. And you might have heard of or seen this feature already, but it basically allows you to select unformatted text and have AI analyze it and automatically apply styles to it. It's a new feature and I expect it to improve over time, but the potential benefits are quite obvious, at least if you have a lot of text. So let's jump over to InDesign and take a look. Here's a basic document with some unformatted text in a linked story. And to get us started, we need the panel. And you'll find it under Window, Styles, and then Style Packs. And as you can see, there are some pre-made packs for us to use. And there are two ways of doing this. We can use one of the existing packs and potentially adjust the styles to our liking afterwards, or we can define our own style packs. So let's start with using the ones we already have. Simply select the story and click on one of the packs that you'd like to use. And InDesign will think a bit, trying to find the headings and so forth. And you should then get a formatted text with styles applied. There we go. Of course, it won't always be perfect, but it seems to generally find the headings and at least give you a starting point. And if you look over at the paragraph styles panel, you can see we ended up with a new folder here. And this is our style pack. And we can now go in and change them. So for example, if I right click on the heading and choose edit, maybe we can make it a bit larger. And I think also left align it, just as an example. And also, if we made a lot of changes, we could save this as a new custom pack. We simply right-click on the group and choose Save Custom Style Pack. Appear in the panel over here, under Custom. And that leads me to the next method, and that's making your own style pack from scratch. So let's first undo what we did and go back to the unformatted text. And next you can see we have this button down here that says New Style Pack. Simply click on that and we get this dialog. And we name it, of course. I'm just going to call it My Style Pack. And now we just need to map the paragraph styles we want to use in the list down here. This isn't a video about creating paragraph styles, so I've already made mine, but it doesn't really matter how they are set up anyway. So we pick what style we want to use for heading, then which one for subheading, and so on. And this is, as I see it, the big limitation of this feature right now. We only have access to these categories. And I would, for example, much rather have another subheading level instead of two options for a numbered list. But I imagine this might change with time. And by the way, you might notice I chose the same style for all the lists. And that's only because I don't want any numbered lists in this case. And then it doesn't matter what kind of list the AI thinks it should be. When we are done, simply press Create. And this is where I discovered a bug. Now, what should be happening here is that your style should end up in this custom list, and that worked for me like a few days ago. I don't know why it wouldn't work now, but somehow it doesn't want to do that. But what you can do instead, until they fix this, is that you just select the story once again, and instead right-click on a pack in here and just press Apply Style Pack, and it will do the same for you. And I'm imagining it will be fixed pretty soon, but for now it seems like there's something that isn't quite right. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video right here on CC Pipe.